We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox for your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your computer and sign in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one quickly by clicking on Sign Up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Dropbox homepage, which is your hub for all files and folders. To upload files, click on the Upload button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll have the option to upload files or an entire folder. Choose the files or folders you want to upload from your computer, and they will start to sync to your Dropbox account. Remember, uploaded files are automatically available on any device where you're logged into Dropbox. If you want to create a new folder to organize your files, click on New Folder and give it a name. You can then drag and drop files into this folder for better organization. To share files with others, simply hover over the file or folder you want to share, click on the Share button, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also set permissions to allow others to view or edit the files. If you ever need to recover a deleted file, go to the Deleted Files section on the left sidebar, where you can restore files within 30 days of deletion. This feature is particularly helpful if you accidentally delete something important. For additional storage or advanced features, consider upgrading to a Dropbox Plus or Professional plan. And that's it. Dropbox makes it easy to store, share, and access your files from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.